What if you could ask Claude about your emails and your calendar, and it would actually go check them for you? No copy pasting, no switching tabs, no manual searching. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail and Google Calendar to Claude so it can pull information directly from your inbox and your schedule whenever you need it. Let's get into it. There are two ways to connect these. The quickest way is right from inside the chat. See this plus button at the bottom left of the chat box? Click that. You'll see a list of integrations you can connect. Click Gmail. A Google sign-in window will pop up. Log in with your Google account and click Allow to grant access. Done. Gmail is connected. Now go back and click plus again and do the same for Google Calendar. Same process, click Allow and your calendar is connected too. Both are now linked to your Claude account. If you ever want to manage these, you can also find them under Settings, then Connectors. That's where you can disconnect them anytime. Now, here's where it gets useful. You just ask Claude naturally. Like you'd ask a colleague, I'm going to type. What important emails did I receive in the last 72 hours? Give me the link where I can click so that I will be directed to the message, and hit enter. Claude goes into my Gmail, scans through my recent emails, and gives me a clean summary of the ones that matter, with citations showing exactly which emails it pulled from. I can click those citations to go straight to the original email. No digging through my inbox, no scrolling through threads. Claude did it in seconds. And I can ask a second question like, do I have any unread emails that need a reply? And Claude goes back into my inbox and flags the ones waiting on me, all in the same conversation. Now, let's try the calendar. Same thing. I just ask, when is my next meeting and what is it about? Give me the link again to direct to the Google Calendar meeting. Claude checks my Google Calendar and tells me exactly when my next meeting is, what it's for, and any details attached to the event, again with citations so I can click through to see the full calendar entry. And since Claude already pulled up the meeting details, I can just keep going. Who else is joining that meeting? And Claude checks the attendee list from that same event and gives me the answer right away. No switching to Google Calendar, no opening a separate tab. It's all happening right here in the same conversation. And that's it. Connect Gmail and Google Calendar through the plus button in your chat or through Settings arrow connectors. And then just ask Claude anything about your inbox or your schedule in plain English. One important thing to know, Claude can read and search your emails and calendar, but it cannot send emails, create events, or make any changes. It's read only for now, and that's actually by design. You stay in control. This works on all Claude plans, free, pro, max, team, and enterprise. Go try it and let me know in the comments what you're going to ask Claude first. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.